welcome to Investinbulls. This is Vikram, and I'm going to share a strategy where you can predict before market starts how much SPY can move within a week. So I'm sharing this strategy, and for that strategy, what you need to basically do is you need to have certain calculations before the market starts on Monday. I did some of the calculations as you can see over here, and what you basically need to do over here is you need to have for weekly time frame I'm using a value 37, and what we need to do is you need to do a square root of 37, which is 6.08. The next value which you need to know is Wix open value. So this strategy, the way it works is on Monday morning, you can come and you can see what is the Wix open value. That you can go from, you can find it either on the YouTube, or you can basically, if you are using TradingView, you can just open Wix chart for S&P 500 and you can get it. I can quickly show you. I have the charts open over here. So for example, over here, you have the Wix 1 week chart, and then I have S&P 500 1 week chart. So the last week, as we can see, the Wix got open at 2167 and it got closed at 2166. So this is 2166 is the value which you need to take, but you need to take the value at 9:30 a.m. Eastern when the market opens. You need to take that particular value, and at the same time you need to take a value for SPY at 9:30. What is the opening price for SPY? So once you have that, you need to basically come over here. I'm going to share this particular Excel sheet with you in my YouTube channel where you can download it. So what you need to do is, once you have these two numbers, you have a square root of 37, which is 6.08. You already know what is the Wix. What you need to do is you have to divide Wix open value with square root. So 27.37 divided by 6.08, that will give you a return value, which is 4.50. So now at Monday morning at 9:30 itself, I know that this week SPY can either move 4.5% up or 4.5% down. Then what I need to do is, I already have SPY open price and this sheet is going to give me all the prediction how much high SPY can go and what could be my lowest value, right? So once you have this particular values, you can put over there, and then you can plan your strategy, plan your trades for that particular week. Normally the way I do is I know the range, and now when I know the low and high range of SPY, I can basically go and select any sideways strategy which I wanted to play, either on options or I can basically go for the positions for intraday. For intraday, this is not the video. I'm going to make another video for intraday where I can explain you what would be the calculations for intraday, and also if for the long term guys who wanted to basically play in the positioning, I'm going to give you one more video for the monthly calculations along with my backtesting results. So as you can see over here, now I have low and high, and in this particular week, S&P went high as 390. Our prediction was it can went up to 392, and on the lower side, it went to 372.9, whereas our prediction was pretty low because it opened at 375. So this week, instead of going down, it went up. It was long, but we already know that what is the long highest prediction we have. So it was pretty much within our range. And as you can see, I did the 6 months back testing. This is each and every week in 2022. And these all are the Wix value which got open. And you can see over here, out of 26 tests, I got failure rate only by 6, which is, if I just take the percentage, it has more than 75% success ratio with this particular strategy. And most of the time, as I mentioned, like sometimes when I know already what is the range of SPY high and low, I play iron condors, right? And out of 26 times, if I'm getting fail only 6 times, this is the time I normally do the adjustments or do the firefighting with my position, either uh, take a little bit further down the line the position which is not working for me, or can make certain adjustments. If you want to know what these adjustments are, how these adjustments are gonna be, I can make another video in the coming days and can explain you, so that you also know how to do the strategy. But one thing you need to know in this, when you are playing iron condor or iron fly kind of strategies, you need to have a margin account, and you need a little bit more capital to play this kind of strategies. This can be played for intraday, but as I mentioned, the intraday calculations are going to be little different, which I will play a video, which I'll create a video. And what you can do is look around that particular video in the coming week, and once you know what could be the the range of intraday before the market start itself. If the market goes bullish, you can play in the bullish side. You can take long positions, naked positions to make the money, and as soon as the target reach, you can exit your naked position. And at the same time, if the trend on that particular day is bearish, and you know that bearish what the range is for you, then you can basically take the position on the bearish also. So I'm going to create that video, and I will do the back testing at least for a couple of months. I would recommend you also do the back testing. You can look around the results. The results are pretty good. 75% win ratio is pretty good, and that too in this volatile market, when you see a big roller coaster of S&P 500, when the SPY is basically gap up or gap down with 2 to 3% kind of things as well. So I did the back testing for you guys. I'm gonna make another video. I would request you to basically like, share this video, and subscribe, so that as soon as I make another video, you get the notification. With this, I'm going to sign off, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me through my Telegram channel. You can put the comments in the YouTube, so that I can read it, and as soon as I get time, I can come back to you with my feedback. Thank you so much. Have a good day, and with this, wish you a very happy new year, and have a good trading.